Hello everyone, my name is Tiểu. In this story, I will be drawn.
My name is Too. In this story, I will be Dr. Cat. Hello everyone. My name is Phương. In today's story, I will be Piggie. And our story is Make Me Sneeze. Let's begin the story. Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want
Yes?
a
A what? A ball, a swim, a hat?
two.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you try to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. You. Goodbye.
are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. And too. Wait, now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pig make you sneeze. And do not think cats make you sneeze.